Today I'm going to show you how to use your 3D printer. Download this software. Go to thingiverse.com. I'll put these links in the description. Find a file, and I'm going to choose something miniature. I will download it. I need to take the SD card from my machine, put it in your dongle, put it in your computer, open. Now you'll take it to your, when you open it, it'll open Cura automatically. Here's my model. Now you slice it. So come down here and slice it. It's going to tell you how long it's going to take and how much material. Save it. When you save it, you can eject. When you eject, you can safely remove your card. Now you just pull it out, put it right in your machine, turn it on. Now we want to preheat our bed, and you want to let it warm up for at least like 10 minutes. You can do a test print and it'll warm up your bed too. Now we want to go back and scroll all the way through our file, find the one we want. Mine is a lot, so I'll be back. Choose the one we want. Once you press play, it will begin. Easy as that. Follow for more. Subscribe for part 2. I'll show you how to level this the right way.